Learning more about the gunman who opened fire outside of a KC nightclub on Sunday. A weapons charge against him was dropped in 2016 after Missouri lawmakers passed a law allowing concealed carry without a license. KCTV5's Leslie Aguilar spoke with the Jackson County prosecutor who had some strong words about the case. She's live with that story. Leslie.
Ellen, less safe. That's what Gene Peters Baker says Kansas Cityans are following that law that passed in Missouri in 2016. She says this recent case is just one example of that.
It is mind-boggling how many people think that they need to go to a club armed.
Jackson County Prosecutor Gene Peters Baker is at a loss.
So, honestly, I don't know what else police could have done to have stopped this. There is nothing that they could have done.
She was at the bloody scene outside 9 Ultra nightclub Sunday night. 15 people were hurt and a 25-year-old woman killed. The accused shooter, Jerron Swift, was shot and killed by a security guard. Court records show Swift had a weapons conviction from 2015. Another charge from 2016 was dropped when the state changed the law the same year.
Mr. Swift was one case of many that got dismissed during that period of time.
Before the fall of 2016, you needed a permit to carry a weapon in Missouri. Getting the permit required 8 hours of training and a background check.
Probably charged this crime more than any other crime. And then one day, it's gone.
Peters Baker can't say if being able to prosecute Swift for the weapons charge would have prevented what happened Sunday night, but says since it was his second offense, it's likely he would have served some jail time and be prohibited from having a gun.
These charges, they helped us because while they were low-level felonies, it got them into the system and it got some intervention in their life.
She says it's legal for almost anyone to carry almost anywhere, and that does not make the community safer.
I worry about Kansas Cityans who are going to go to clubs to celebrate in the near future.
Now, Peters Baker says she can't give the family of Raven Parks justice because the suspect is dead, but she wants that family to know that she cares about them and that this crime is an injustice for the entire city. Reporting live in downtown Kansas City, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV5 News.
Thanks, Leslie. And Mayor Quentin Lucas is reacting to this. He said, quote, "It's deeply concerning that this assailant was allowed to continue carrying a firearm even after multiple incidents proved he shouldn't." 2 families are grieving the loss of their loved ones this week over a crime that could have been prevented.